So let's see together how to ask to spell something. Can be quite useful in some cases, especially if you go to public places or hotel or all these places where they will ask for your name. So let's see the first one. How do you write? Comment vous écrivez? Comment vous écrivez? Comment vous écrivez? You could spell vous pourriez épeler. Vous pourriez épeler. So remember, épeler, it's to spell. This is really the verb to spell. First group, a bit tricky because it's like appeler. You'll have the double L for je, tu, il, and for the plural form. So it looks nice, but well, so that's the reason why when you put it in the first form, it's j'épelle, pelle, j'épelle. Okay, but in that case, it's regular form, infinitive, so you don't care about that. Vous pourriez épeler, épeler. Can you spell? Est-ce que vous pouvez épeler? Est-ce que vous pouvez épeler? Well, it's the same, est-ce que vous pouvez épeler, but I've been putting this est-ce que just to make it that it's a question. Est-ce que vous pouvez épeler? When people hear this est-ce que, I mean, it's clear in their mind that it's a question, so maybe they're a bit more careful of what you say after. So let's see the next one. How do we write? Comment on écrit? Comment on écrit? Comment on écrit? How do we write? And the last one, same thing. How do we write it? Comment ça s'écrit? So in that case, it refers to something that was mentioned previously. Okay, so comment ça s'écrit? How do we write it? Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? Voila, you got all the tools to ask properly how to spell something. Merci beaucoup.